Today's video topic is how to give your newborn baby a bath. Step-by-step guide for safe and gentle bathing. Bathing your newborn baby can be a special and bonding experience. However, it's important to approach it with care and caution to ensure your baby's safety and comfort. In this video, we will provide a step-by-step guide on how to give your new baby a bath, including tips for a gentle and enjoyable bathing routine. 1. Gather the essentials. Before starting the bath, gather all the necessary items within reach to ensure you have everything you need. These essentials may include a clean and soft towel, mild baby soap or cleanser, a soft washcloth or sponge, a small plastic basin or baby bathtub, warm water, around 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, diapers and clean cloths, baby lotion or oil, optional. 2. Prepare a safe bathing environment. Choose a warm and draft-free area of your home to set up the bathing space. Place a non-slip mat or towel on a flat surface, such as a changing table or countertop, or use a dedicated baby bathtub with a support seat. Ensure all supplies are within arm's reach to avoid leaving your baby unattended. 3. Fill the bathing basin or tub. Fill the basin or tub with a few inches of warm water. Test the water temperature with your elbow or a baby thermometer to ensure it's comfortably warm, but not too hot. The water should feel lukewarm to the touch. 4. Undress your baby. Gently undress your baby, keeping them covered in a towel or blanket to maintain warmth. Leaving only the diaper on, carefully lift your baby and place him in a warm and secure position near the bathing area. 5. Start washing your baby. Using a soft washcloth or sponge, dip it in the warm water and gently wipe your baby's face, starting from the forehead and working your way down. Be cautious around the eyes, nose, and mouth. Use a damp cotton ball or pad to clean around the eyes, using a fresh cotton ball for each eye. 6. Clean the rest of the body. Continue washing your baby's body, paying attention to the folds of the neck, arms, legs, and diaper area. Use a mild baby soap or cleanser, applying it sparingly and rinsing thoroughly. Remember to support your baby's head and neck throughout the bath. 7. Rinse and dry. After washing, use a clean, damp washcloth or sponge to rinse away any soap residue. Pat your baby's skin dry with a soft towel, paying extra attention to the creases and gently drying between the fingers and toes. Avoid rubbing, as it can irritate the delicate skin. 8. Moisturize and dress. If desired, apply a gentle baby lotion or oil to help moisturize your baby's skin. Dress your baby in clean clothes and put on a fresh diaper. 9. Post-bath comfort. After the bath, cuddle and soothe your baby, providing warmth and comfort. This is an ideal time for gentle massage, skin-to-skin contact, or breastfeeding, promoting relaxation and bonding. 10. Establish a bathing routine. Create a consistent bathing routine that works for you and your baby. Whether it's daily baths or every few days, maintaining a regular schedule helps your baby become familiar with the process and promotes a sense of security. Bathing your newborn baby can be a wonderful experience. By following a few simple steps and ensuring a safe and warm environment, you can provide a gentle and enjoyable bath for your little one. Remember, always prioritize your baby's safety, comfort, and hygiene during this special time of bonding and care.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.